Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have this amber Arabic makeup look for you using the Morphe Fall Into Forest palette. And I'm taking this shade first and applying this into my crease. This is going to be a transition colour, so take your time and blend this out a little bit extra because we are going to be applying another colour in the crease. Now taking this shade and applying this in the crease as well, going back and forth, but just keeping it below the first colour. And as I'm blending out towards the tape. This will help elongate the eyes. Now taking this burnt orange shade and I'm applying this in the outer part of the eye. And I'm just using the same blending brush, but I'm doing small circle motions and again blending it up and out towards the tape. Now taking this shimmer amber colour, and this is going to be our lid shade. So I'm just patting this all over the lid, getting the entire area that's left. Now I'm taking this top highlighter colour and applying this under my brow bone and in the inner corner of the eyes. And I'm just using a pencil brush for this. Taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, I'm going to start creating my winged eyeliner now. So I'm just creating a straight line going across the lash line and then creating an inner corner point, just following the lash line all the way down. Then for my wing, I'm going to create a line from the corner going up towards the eyebrow, and because we've used tape, this will help us with a straight line. Then just create another line on top to make a triangle shape and then fill it in. Then at this point you can just neaten up the line and make it thicker if you want. I'm just going to line my waterline with some black Kohl pencil. And then using that gel eyeliner again, I'm just connecting the top and bottom eyeliners together. Now taking this black shade in the corner, and I'm using a pencil brush and I'm smudging that Kohl pencil in. Then taking that burnt orange shade again and I'm just doing the same thing, smudging it into the Kohl pencil and then the black eyeshadow at the bottom. I'm just going to apply some lashes and then finish the look off with some mascara to blend it all together to complete the look. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I upload weekly and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.